Welcome to your iconic Gaggenau EB333 oven. It's a handcrafted work of art representing the culmination of our finest principles, skills and ethos. Since 1986, it has always been more than an oven. It's a promise to create masterpieces. It's the oven that creates circulated temperature using a unique universal heating system, allowing you to bake, broil, roast, proof and defrost. Everything is controlled by two simple selectors. The left controls the function while the right controls temperature, time and settings. All heating modes are available in our use and care manual. Use the function selector to access 3 types of heating modes to individualize the preferred method for any type of dish or preparation. Convection modes for quick, even multi-level baking. Top and bottom heat modes for controlling broiling and finishing. And specialty modes for unique dish preparations, dough proofing and accessories like the baking stone, roaster and rotisserie spit. These modes can easily be combined for precise heat control. Pull the door open with its handle. Remember your core temperature probe. It can be used with multiple program options and is accurate within 1 degree. Set your time with 4 options. Timer, which counts down the remaining time for existing recipes. Stopwatch, which counts up for creating new recipes. Cooking time, which switches off the oven when the programmed time has elapsed. Cooking time end, which switches on the oven for perfect meal timing. The rotisserie spit can be used in all modes of operation. Achieve your best results with the broil or top heat heating functions. Create, modify and save your own programs. Select the chef's hat and then select the next available custom program. Name your program. Save up to 50 custom recipes. There are also a variety of international pre-programmed recipes that can be enjoyed and modified to your own taste. Enjoy complete control by watching your dish's progress through the well-lit viewing window, enabling function and temperature adjustment without the need to ever open the door. Cleaning is easy with no need for oven cleaners. The racks and trays can be removed and washed. Activate the pyrolytic self-cleaning system, a process that takes 4 hours. It can be done often due in part to our signature enamel. Keep the kitchen at the heart of your home with Home Connect, where you can easily access its user manuals, adjust your appliance settings, and communicate with customer service. It also includes tips on cleaning and care, as well as a large selection of recipes. The iconic Gaggenau EB333 oven. The difference is Gaggenau.